Yeah.
Yeah, they got the fire department over there. We can rebuild the town hall.
Can't hear the music.
Sing! No!
The one in Vermont, some of them big boomers. You hear them echoing all the way through the canyons.
And funny one time. Funny one is not Wow.
That plane better watch where it's going.
He is.
Wow.
Looks like they fly right through it.
They usually do.
Yeah, they usually do.
They got the cabin lights on.
Oh my god. Why do they do that?
They always do. Give
Get the fireworks
passengers
there.
a little thrill.
Yeah, the movie's not enough, so
Here's for
here.
all your baggage fees.
I told you the fireworks.
Surfing USA.
No, not at all.
I'd love to be in a plane going fireworks.
Crocodile Rock.
That's what I'm gonna do one year, Mom. I'm just gonna fly out somewhere and then I'm gonna fly back just to fly through the fireworks. Yeah.
Boston and back.
Yeah.
Just to catch all the fireworks in the sky.
Well, you just take off and then you yell something in the cabin, so they have to turn right back around.
Yeah. That's a train like yours.
Yes, it is.
Got one, two.
Philip, watch the lights. You're gonna see the fireworks.
Wow, that's really high.
Wow.
I can watch it.
I'm recording it.
Whoa. Wow.
Mommy's watching it with
I want to dig in the garden.
Keep it up, man. I'm liking the ooh and the wow. We can't hear the music, you
How are you
know.
going to watch the fireworks?
We gotta make our own music.
Fireworks are as exciting.
This is all new people for him.
You got him with the bubbles.
It saved him a
Yep.
shower. Fireworks, honey.
Like, there you go. There you go.
I can't wait till Joseph's like that. Smokes. You know I had a grandson, right?
I heard yes.
Where'd you buy them?
All
Congratulations.
excited. What?
Where did you buy him?
I am?
Fight the fireworks!
Aisle
I'm
five.
gonna fight the
On
fireworks!
sale.
Ah,
I just rented mine
Fight the
for a while.
fireworks!
Bring up an aisle 4, please.
Now for again, please. Oh, that's me. I'm not getting bit anymore by mosquitoes.
Let's let the bubbles again!
Again. You got it.
Yeah, the bubbles! Yeah!
Yeah.
What are you asking?
Here at T-Ville.
him. He's just so cute.
Let's let the bubbles!
Here comes the bubble.
Landed in the wrong town. There's
There we
a
go. There's some bubbles. You're a trooper.
These people are dumber than the
Watch
last
out.
people, man.
He's gonna get it. I'm
I
waiting
know.
for it. It's so close.
Luke's gonna get it. He's being careful.
Fight the bubbles again!
Especially this AA
Battery's broken. Oh, no more batteries.
Sorry.
Fireworks.
It's broken. Let's watch the fireworks.
This
Oh,
one
the
doesn't
batteries
need
are on
batteries.
now. I know. Oh, yes, that works. That doesn't need batteries. I gave that to you. You love it. Look at me on
Cool.
Those are my favorite. Those are my new favorite. Yeah. I like the whistling one.
Yeah.
Mom. Mom.
He's what? Whoa, look at that. Cool.
I don't even need to make commentary on this video.
Whoa.
I think Mom's trying to.
Wow.
That was a tease.
Trying to step
Yeah, I like it.
Yeah, he is. Cowabunga. It's official. He likes fireworks.
Mom, should I record the whole thing or should I just wait until the grand finale?
Next to the grand finale. Wowee. Wow.
That was a ninja.
Really cool. What color? What color is that one? Look at the color. You know your color? What's this one? Red. Pink.
Yeah, I'm just gonna record the whole thing. I stopped it though, so
Green.
I screwed that up.
Yes, you're right. That's just like this green. But, oh, that's like this pink. What's the next color? Ooh, green. Oh, she's so good. Lunch.
Ba ba ba.
Good times never
Philip, you know that song?
One year they had that.
Caroline, right.
You know that whole song? That's right. What do you say after go? Sweet Caroline. That's right.
Catherine made a buddy.
We all made a buddy once we sat down. He gave me his Oreo.
Oh, really?
Yeah, he had half his Oreo. He goes, here, you want this? So
She
good.
totally
So
knows
good.
that. She
So
totally knows
good.
that's They must be
color.
beautiful.
Yes, that's it. That's right. Where's this one?
Green. That was a cream.
Purple.
Purplish cream. That's purple.
There's purple.
That's indigo.
Ooh, here it comes.
I don't know why they don't make those whistle ones again, like Mom likes.
Oh,
Are they expensive? They don't want to spend their money on it?
you like that one? Ooh, blue.
Indigo.
Indigo.
Boom.
Yeah. Violet.
That's orange.
Star.
It was more like a salmon color.
It's more of a salmon. No. I call that more like a cantaloupe. Perhaps a shade of cantaloupe, if you say, and honeydew.
All right, yeah.
Yep. Oh. That's really big. Look. You fit it inside your circle. Make us little fireworks inside your circle. Oh, more bubbles too. Get it in my side circle.
Oh, look at that green thing floating down.
Oh yeah.
What do you say?
Green thing floating down.
Oh yeah. Uh-oh, the bubbles are back. Look
Oh,
what you
no,
started.
he just tried it, broke again. Sorry, why not work? Fireworks.
Good job.
Ooh, that was a big one. Pretty.
Pigtails. Like,
Wow.
and she had on this cute little, like,
Your hat?
it was so adorable.
You look like your hat? You have a Boston star. Ooh.
Why do they seem closer?
Ah.
That way to the left.
That's so the short people can see it.
You mean like you, Dad?
Let's go.
Blue, red, blue.
Very nice little one.
Oh, there's still more! That wasn't the grand finale?
Yeah.
Somebody in Vermont was lighting off M100, setting off car alarms, coming right down the valley. Some really loud ones.
There's that
Say
blast box on my
cheese.
Grand Prix. Yeah. It just idled through a parking lot. Set them off. Go by them by sports to set off car alarm. At 83 Grand Prix with a 327. I haven't heard anybody talk about glass packs in years now. Yeah, you had to turn the resonators over in them. You had to get it going like a bastard and then just let off, drop it low.
That's you?
Yep.
Wow.
What are you doing?
I got it.
Yes, you do.
I don't know, during the finale we're gonna start picking stuff up so we can just keep walking. Okay?
What are you doing?
What'd you say?
During the finale, we're gonna pick everything
I'm watching the fireworks.
right off.
Okay. I can fight. I can fight first.
What?
I can fight.
You can fight first. Okay, you can fight. Mom. Mom.
We're watching it again.
How many fireworks do they have?
Oh, nice. Where's your hat?
It's right here.
Is that your little sister or little brother?
Little brother, I think.
That's your little brother. No, that's not yours. No. That's Tracy's. That's Tracy's.
PG
circle.
loves Nate.
What's that? Nathan?
Yeah.
That's
Oh,
your
here comes
brother's
another plane. Here comes another plane.
That literally looked like it hit the plane, didn't it?
Nathan with his grandma.
There always seems to be at least 2 or more planes each year that come through.
Yeah.
This is my brother. I look in Nathan's car. I miss Nathan.
Miss him? So what's the baby's name?
MJ James.
That's James?
Yeah.
So you have 3 boys?
I have another James. I have James Thomas and Papa.
And what?
What kind is the Thomas?
No cars for Thomas.
That's so cool.
Who's Thomas?
He's the tech and he's got
Thomas the Tank Engine?
Yeah, he's Italian.
He's talking about this show,
Is
Thomas.
it Thomas the Tank Engine?
Yeah. Thomas the cat engine goes, and then Thomas goes round on the track.
Don't lose your hat, Philip.
Okay. I'm not gonna get them.
No, don't want to lose your hat.
You got a divorce? You don't text me about the wife?
No.
Look at that.
Now you're his new friend.
I found him.
Yeah.
Found him.
Oh my goodness. So cute. Perfection. That's cool, huh? You like that? Can I see your stuff for a minute? Come here.
Mom, a car full of guys who just playing Katy Perry.
I know, I heard that.
The
little plastic
where your egg went?
He lost it.
I'll put it on your waist. Can he have your egg?
I don't have mine. She gave it to him already.
For goodness sake.
We're all giving him the ends of our things.
That's Tracy's egg. You can't just give it away like that.
Sorry.
Hey, I wanted an egg.
Yeah, I know. Tell me.
How many ends you got?
Now do a wiggle.
It depends who's asking.
Give us a wiggle.
Hey, all right.
Give us a wiggle.
That's a hula hoop.
Wiggle.
Thanks.
Dance with it.
Oh, we're gonna lose that.
Wow, my eyes cross every time he hits those high notes.
Woo! Ah! Hey, what are you doing? He took it off.
I want the really big boom.
No, they don't do the big baboons like they
I like it when it bounces off your chest.
I
Woo!
remember those.
Mom,
You know, like when we were at them when we used to go to the
Mom,
it'd be pop, boom.
Mom.
You got one on your head.
No, I had mine on my head. He put his on mine.
Na 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 na. That was cool.
Wiggle, wiggle. There we go. He's gonna help you, Dad.
Yeah, there we go.
Very happy family. Sure? You can have it. You can have it. I know you have one already. You don't want two?
A beetle.
Yeah.
You can be like a helicopter or something. Woo! Helicopter!
Ba. I want that.
What? No, that's mine. What? We're leaving?
Yeah,
No,
they don't
we're
try
not
to-
ready.
Get ready.
We can go.
Wait, I don't have my shoes on. I can't.
So I guess
Big one.
Here we go. Here's the big one. You can have it.
Hey, don't kick my soda.
Hey, did you?
He's kicking my soda. Well, I'm not gonna open that for a long time.
Pick up your crunchy things, Lauren.
I will. I can't move.
Philip, can you pick up that bag for me? Right there.
Right there, the Doritos.
Thank you.
Can I have them?
Yeah.
Thank you.
We don't want to leave any garbage.
Hey, I'll have something to snack on the way home.
I'm gonna stay over to Todd and Brenda's house till tomorrow after the traffic clears.
There you go.
Yeah, we have a special. It's only $39.95 a head tonight.
Hey, I'm always more cheaper than New York.
Kevin, that means you owe them over $60.
No.
That's just for the garage. Oh, well played,
That's
Tom.
nice stuff.